Today I'm going to show you how to recover your Bank of America account. If you have forgotten the password of your online banking of Bank of America, then in this video let me show you how you can recover and successfully log in again. So if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now first of all, you need to open up your web browser and search for bankofamerica.com. You can also do this process within your mobile app. So from the website, you will see a login page or a login section on the bottom left from where you can log in. But if you don't remember the password, you can click on the option which says forgot ID or password. And through this section, you can recover it by firstly typing in your card or account number, only the last 6 digits of it. So once you type that in the second box, you can type in your social security number or your tax ID number. If you don't have these information, you can click on this link, and instead of those information, you'll need to type in your savings or checkings account number, your debit card number, only the last 6 digits, and your card PIN. So once you follow these steps and type in all of these information, you'll be able to successfully retrieve and recover your password or even the user ID of your account and recover your Bank of America account. So that was the video on how to recover your Bank of America account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.